Down, Toto.
Put 'em up. Put 'em up. I'll fight you both together if you want. I'll fight you with one paw tied behind the back. I'll fight you standing on one foot. I'll fight you with my eyes closed. Oh, pulling an axe on me, eh? Sneaking up on me, eh? Why?
Here. Go in and let us alone.
Oh, scared, huh? Afraid, huh? How long can you stay fresh in that can? Get up and fight, you shivering junkyard. Put your hands up, you lopsided bag of hay.
Now that's getting personal, Lion.
Yes. Get up and teach him a lesson.
Well, what's wrong with you teaching them? Well, I hardly know him.
I'll get you anyway, Pee-wee.
What did you do that for?
Cry, baby.
But you tried to. It's bad enough picking on a straw man, but when you go around picking on poor little dogs.
Well, you didn't have to go and hit me, did you? Is my nose bleeding?
Well, of course not.
Hit him again. Hit him
Goodness, what a
again.
fuss you're making. Well, naturally, when you go around picking on things weaker than you are, why, you're nothing but a great big coward.
You're right, I am a coward. I haven't any courage at all. I even scare myself.
Look in the mirror.
Look at the circles under my eyes. I haven't slept in weeks.
Try counting sheep.
That doesn't do any good. I'm afraid of them.
Oh, that's too bad. Don't you think the wizard could help him too?
See, why not? Why don't you come along with us? We're on our way to see the wizard now, to get him a heart.
And him a brain.
I'm sure he could give you some courage.
Well, wouldn't you feel degraded to be seen in the company of a cowardly lion? I would.
Of course not.
Gee, that's awfully nice of you. My life has been simply unbearable.
Well, it's all right now. The wizard will fix everything.
It's been so long. I just got to tell you how I feel.
Well, come on.
Yeah, it's sad, believe me, missy, when you're born to be a sissy without a villain pride. When I could show my prowess, be a lion, not a mouse, if I only had the nerve. I'm afraid there's no denying, I'm just a dandelion, a fate I don't deserve. I'd be brave as a blizzard,
I'd be gentle as a lizard.
I'd be clever as a gizzard.
If the wizard is a wizard who will serve
Then I'm sure to get a brain, a heart.
a home.
The name. Oh, see the wizard, a wonderful wizard of Oz. He is the wizard of a wizard, ever a wisdom Oz. If ever a wisdom Oz, the wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of Oz.
You won't
started. What are we waiting for?
Nothing. Let's hurry.
Yes, let's run.
Run! Run!
Hurry, hurry.
What's happening? What is it? I can't run anymore. I'm so sleepy.
Here, give us your hands and we'll pull you along.
Oh, no, please. I have to rest for just a minute. Toto, where's Toto?
Oh, you can't rest now. We're nearly there. Don't try. You rust yourself again.
Come to think of it, 40 weeks wouldn't be bad.
Don't you start it, too. No. We ought to try and carry Dorothy. I don't think I could, but we could try. Man, yes. This is terrible. Here, take it. Oh, this is terrible. Can't mutter an inch. This is the spell, this is. It's the Wicked Witch. What do we do? Help! Help! It's no use screaming at a time like this. Nobody will hear you. Help! Help! Yes, it is. Maybe that'll help. Oh, but couldn't help. Does help. Dorothy, you're waking up.
Unusual weather we're having, ain't it?
Look, he's busted again. Quick.
He is rusty.
Here. Oh. Curse.
His crotch!
Somebody always help that girl. Shoes or no shoes, I'm still brave enough to conquer her. And woe to those who try to stop her. Come on, let's get out of here. Look, Emerald City is closer and prettier than ever. Out of the woods, you're out of the dark, you're out of the night. Step into the sun, step into the light. He's getting it for the most glorious things from the kings of the earth for the sky. Hold on to your breath, hold on to your heart, hold on to your home. March up to the gate and build it on the The Emerald City is fast as lightning!
The witch could have stolen the show.
You're out of the woods, you're out of the dark, you're out of the night.
Yeah, what?
Step into the sun, step into the light, march up to the gate and build it. Obey.
Hope it's has been.
Who rang that bell? We did. Can't you read?
Read what?
The notice! What notice? It's on the door, as plain as the nose on my face. Bell on the water. Please knock. Well, that's more like it. Now, state your business.
We want to see the witness.